Good day, children. This is the English activity for Thursday the 14th of May. Okay, we've got another 5 words for you to learn. Do you look, say, cover, write, check, put them into some sentences, and you're going to be tested tomorrow, so get prepped for that. Okay, the reading skill is still on the story of I Was a Rat, and we're on the new chapter, Princess Mary Jane. So highlighted yellow words are for you to work out what they might mean, and some of the blue words are in the questions at the end, which you've got here. They're oral questions, so just see if you can work out the answers. Then we got the English grammar test. There's some 10 questions for you to answer. It should be very quick, so it's just ticking, and then you can mark it yourself. And then we've got the answers to Harriet Hare in the comprehension. Okay, the main activity, we're going to recognise and compare poems today. So you can describe the sea using senses, use reflective questions on 3 poems, write a comparison on 2 poems, write own poem about the sea. Give time. So first of all, our focus is on these 4 scenes of sea views. Look very carefully at each one. Which one of these seas would you most like to watch and why? So choose which one you've seen. You might have seen them whilst on holiday. And give me a careful description of what you would see, smell and feel. So using most of your senses, give us some descriptive writing of what you'd see, smell and feel. Okay, after that we got a couple of poems. Doing Nothing Much, read it well, read it through. Think about the poetry questions. They're on the next page. Write some of your answers in clear sentences. So look carefully. What do you like about the poem? Is there anything that you dislike? What does it remind you of? How does it make you feel? So this is only on this poem, Doing Nothing Much. Can you spot any patterns? Is there any rhyme, alliteration or assonance? Is anything repeated? And finally, what interesting words or phrases can you find? What do they mean? Are there any metaphors or similes? Are there any vivid descriptions? And then you're going to look at 2 poems. One is called Maggie, Amelia and Molly and May. And the other one is The Black Pebble. And when you read them, you're going to answer these seaside poem questions containing work from The Black Pebble and Maggie and Millie and Molly and May. So look, there's 4 questions. What do they find? Who visits the seaside? What do they do when they come home? Has going to the seaside changed them? Then after that, you're going to do a comparison. And there's a frame here to help you write down what is similar about the 2 poems, what's different. And we've got those poems. And then if you've got any time after that, if you really want to produce your own work, you can write your own poem about the sea. Maybe you can illustrate it. Good luck though.